Are there any additional benefits that come with having an S corporation? You mentioned there were.
Yeah,
So
the S corp allows you to save on self-employment tax. So self-employment tax is also called payroll tax. It's called FICA tax. It's Medicare and Social Security. So when you, as a W-2 employee, you look at your pay stub, you have your federal income tax, your state income tax, if your state has an income tax, and then you have Medicare and Social Security, which is entirely additional to the income tax. Well, you still have to pay that as a 1099. It's just referred to differently as self-employment tax, but it's the same thing. What the S corp does is it allows you to treat part of your income as a salary from your company and the rest as a distribution. And distributions are not subject to the payroll tax, to Medicare and Social Security. So S corps don't actually save on income taxes; they save on payroll or self-employment tax. So that's kind of what you use them for. They're also the least audited business entity. So for deducting expenses, it's going to look better on an 1120S, which is the S corp tax return, than it is on your personal tax return. And that brings up another thing. As an S corp, you do have some additional responsibilities. You have to file a separate tax return, so you want to use a CPA that's knowledgeable about how to do that. The S corp has to file what's called an 1120S, which is just a corporate tax return. You also pay taxes a little bit differently when you're an S corp. Instead of making individual payments, you pay your income taxes through your business like a business would. So there's a few other little nuances that come with it, but overall, it's not a lot of work, and it generates a significant amount of tax savings, especially for higher income earners.